have the camera here, and I'm going to record a video out of Dad's vacuum cleaner. Dad, what are you doing?
Oh hey Junior, just trying fixing up the vacuum cleaner. This is the vacuum cleaner. It's sucked up for the vacuum. What am I gonna do is... So, let me demonstrate. This vacuum cleaner goes really fast, but I wasn't supposed to do that. Ha ha ha.
Wow.
You can stop the camera, Junior. Going fast. I'm trying it, Junior.
Oh no, he's making all the dragon. Okay, now I can see all the dragon.
Going fast. Watch out. Stop the vacuum. Stop it.
This is the best, Dad.
You really did it this time, Junior. How dare you record a video out of my vacuum cleaner and I got hurt from the speed? That's it. You are grounded for 50 weeks. Give me the camera and go to your room now. Okay, let's watch the video while Junior in his room. This video is so funny.
Dad, what are you doing?
Oh hey Junior, just trying fixing up the vacuum cleaner. This is the vacuum cleaner. It's sucked up for the vacuum. What am I gonna do is... So, let me demonstrate. This vacuum cleaner goes really fast, but I wasn't supposed to do that. Ha ha ha.
Wow.
You can stop the camera, Junior. Going fast. I'm trying it, Junior. Going fast. Watch out. Stop the vacuum. Stop it. Wow, Mr. Floaty, how did you do that? Well, actually I did the vacuum cleaner and I was kept messing around. And then I got hurt and I put the band-aids on. Alright everyone, let's give a round of applause to this video.